show is about women, not be only women thing I dey talk for here. I dey talk many matter too when be say it concern me, because I know if you say no concern me, I no go dey see something they go wrong, I say no concern me. I dey talk wetin personally they bite me, wetin personally I no like, you understand? Now they share from this my talk show, you understand? So as I show now the picture just now woman do this one. After 7-year relationship, he just discover say he bobo get 6 children for Nigeria. 6, so not be 1, not be 2, not be 3. Agbaka. When I hear in my head, boss, 6 children. So the guy no can see anything to do. He can't destroy property. My people wanna see the matter. For me, I feel she's not right to destroy the property. For me personally, I feel say she not do well to destroy the property. But wetin I no like now be this. Men, women, step up your game. You cannot be in relationship. Somebody engage you for 2 years, 3 years. You go sit there, you dey pray to God to make God change am for you. And when you ask the guy, let me tell you one thing I understand about woman. No woman go for a relationship without expecting anything from that man. Either woman go relationship because of money, or woman go relationship because of marriage. That is only the 2 reasons women go to a relationship. We are not like men. Men can go relationship, men can just date a girl just because they want do vaga. Just because they want, but women are not like that. Women cannot go to a relationship without expecting something from that relationship. That is woman. Woman not they look for who want do one. No. God not create us like that. So men, please, I beg you in the name of God, if you are going to date any woman without marrying her, or quick man tell her say yes, let's just be friends. I don't see many men like that. Go say I don't want to marry you. You get one boy that time. You go tell your girlfriend say I know they marry you. I get wife for us. The girl go know where she did. Yes, my brother. Yes. Women did not go to a relationship just to go and make love. No. Either they go to a relationship because of love or because of money. That is what women do. Women don't go to a relationship without expecting. So men, our brain is not like yours. We think differently. We think differently. Please, don't keep a woman that you don't want to marry. Don't keep them. Don't frustrate their life. Okay, just tell me now, 38 years old woman. But okay, wetin remain? Wetin remain? And women, why you go stay relationship for 7 years without knowing about the man? Staying with a man, you speak, even the woman speak the same language with the man, you no go tell no one. The thing they surprise me, women go say, he can't deceive me, he deceived me, that's why I fall for this type of thing. That is a lie. It's a lie. It's a big lie. You cannot be deceived. It's just that sometimes we choose to close our eyes. We see the error, we just like to close our eyes. Oh, he go good today, he go good, he go good. We know. Men cannot deceive you, and men won't love you. Oh my God. Women go say they don't know. We they know. Na lie. We they know just because sometimes we go can't do what it not be the will of God. That's why. Women, I've told you before in my last video, God does not command us to love. God commands us to respect, to honor our husband, our men. Because God have already created love inside us. So when we start adding what God did not create in us, that is where we start blinding our eyes. That is where we don't see anymore. Can you imagine? 7 years relationship gets waste. 7 years speaking down the God message for person. What will you be doing for 7 years without knowing your man? Wowie. What una they do for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7? You tell me say you not see no that man say he's playing game with you. Even for first 1 year, you supposed to don't know, say, no, I know that this man link. And women, stop saying that if you ask man, say, will you marry me? It's embarrassment to you. No, it's not embarrassment. Because we don't go to relationship without expecting. Either we go to relationship for marriage. Yes, many women go to relationship for marriage. That's what we do. So, it's not a bad thing to ask a man, Oga, we don't spend 1 year, where will they go? It's not bad. If the man can tell you, say, if God talk and say we go marry, I beg, Piavanti, go straight. Yes, not God, they come from heaven. They tell anybody, say, if we say we go marry. I want first study you first. Man, what they talk, say, I want to know you. 1 year, my year, where he don't know you. 2 years, he don't know you. 3 years, he don't know you. When he want to know you. When he wants to know you, he no go fit know you. If he don't know you for 1 year, he don't know you for 2 years. My sister, 3 years, he no go know you. 10 years, he no go know you. He no go know you. Let's stop deceiving ourselves. Please. And stop scattering properties. Because a man no want marry you again. Because you don't already know, say, because that property will not give you your joy. You go only add more sorrow to your pain. Stop it. It's a taboo. Where I come from, it's a taboo. Where I come from is a taboo, my people. I was talking about the repercussion of domestic violence, the gain of it when you are wicked, when you are wickeding your spouse. I was saying it in my last video that there's repercussion when you scatter things without no reason. There's a repercussion, my people. There's a repercussion. Don't scatter properties. It's not good. And don't destroy things. I was talking about a man that his wife get big store. You go carry all year, you go mix and join kerosene. You go carry gari, you go mix everything together just to destroy. If you see as he die miserable. He died miserable because where I come from, it's a taboo to destroy things that somebody work hard for. Don't destroy things. When you are heartbroken, I understand. Put it in the hand of God. God will bless you with a good man that will even take you at the age of 40, 42. And you will also get picking for him by God's grace. You'll see get that thing when they pay you for med, you'll see get her for him. Stop scattering property. It's not good because you lost from a relationship. When you be saying now you now cause harm to yourself. Stop it. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. So I will show you another video because I just finished saying that's one. I just want to quick. I have two things to say today. I will show you about another video that I see in my wall. But let me just say it today because I don't normally have chance to come to live video. I like to come every day, but there's no chance. I post something in my wall, and people was commenting on the post. I was talking about a woman that was abused in a marriage. It was her husband abused her. I will show you the video now. Just watch with me.
You say back your load, they go now by force. If marriage don't work, we shall not kill you. See all your face, see all your body, see all your body, see all your face. Now by force. All these people just kill you throw away. Your own go. You say back your load, they go now by force. If marriage don't work, we shall not kill you. See all your face, see all your body, see all your body, see all your face. Now by force. All these things will just kill you throw away. Your own go.
Okay, this one today, I want really address this matter. Because when people they post, when I post the video for my wall, people call they talk. You see that girl where they talk for the background. Nigerians, we are hypocrites. Yes, I always say it. If this woman just now, I am against domestic violence 100%. I not be even 99. I know they remove one. I'm against it. I wish I have my own power. I wish I have a way to really put all those men in prison. I will do it. I'll be the first woman to. I'll be the woman to do it. I'll make sure they will not come out. I will make sure they will not come out. But why did I say some Nigerians are hypocrites? You see this girl just now in the video and say, you know go come out for the marriage. Man just they beat you. You know go come out for the marriage. Why people they stay abusive marriage for Nigeria? Because immediately they come out for that marriage. Oh my God, you can't see. You know if you keep your man. Single mother. If you even go meet your papa go drive her. If you go meet your mama go drive her. So you go resort to the death. That is African Nigeria that I know. I can't talk about other states, other country. I can't talk about other country. Let me talk about the country I come from. Some of us are hypocrites. If this woman really come up for that husband house just now, you go see her life go dey miserable. You go see as other men go use her till they do yeah. Man when not reach to talk to her before, you go come to tell her hello, how are you? Men when be say not even reach issue when he be there wear before. You go the shame her. Say you yeah woman. Yeah woman when not sabi keep your husbands. Yeah woman when not sabi keep husbands. That is Nigeria for you. That is where I come from. When are we going to stand for the truth? When are we going to stand for each other? Especially women that laugh each other. You don't know what to commode that woman for that marriage. No woman, I dey talk her. If at all, there's things that women cherish a lot. Their husband, their family, and their children. It's a pride for a woman to say, my husband, they go work. My husband, they ask. My husband travel. They know they ask woman before they talk her. Say, if you see my husband, if you see this, they know they ask her. It's a pride for us. Our husband is our pride. So if woman, like this woman now, when they beat blue and black, so take high, swell up. If you mistakenly, maybe you can't come up for that husband as yours now. That same girl when in the video and say, husband now by force, now by force to say husband, now by force to do this, now by force to do that. Now that girl now go fair laugh and say, now me come out you for husbands. You know go remember that day say na in video run. You know go remember say na in video run that day when people they wash her. You know go remember. Please, men, especially the one when doesn't travel come abroad. What see they happen? Women no be punchy bag. Women are love being. I'm saying it every time. We not be punchy bag. Yes, our mouth feel they do. I beg. As my father, they always they tell my brothers. If you be hot temper man, go buy trousers where you get big pockets. If you see say your wife don't all your trousers may get big pockets. Shook her for that pocket. Use and take all that pockets. Use and take all that so that may you not remove her. Yes. Please. Don't destroy us because of our weakness. Not beat us because of our weakness. It's bad. It's bad. Raising your hand up to beat a woman. To the extent his face swell up, his eye swell up. If that woman blind tomorrow now, you go say na the bad when he do, now they worry am. You go say na the juju when he do, now worry am. Whereas you no do juju, now your blow, now blind the eyes. Now blind the eyes. Please, women, if you are facing domestic violence, please, before you die, call for help. Call for help if you love your husband too much. There are many human rights in Nigeria now. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. There are many human rights. Call the man to order. I did not say anybody should leave his husband. No, because of society we live, they go even fair kill you with talk. They go destroy you with talk. Please, make sure you go to nearby human rights and put that man to order. It help a lot. Put that man to order. Make sure say that man know wetin be the meaning of husband. All those people are really trying a lot. Make sure say that woman know the meaning of husband. Say husband no be to beat woman, I wanna be husband. Make sure. Please, my people, I beg you in the name of God, don't take yourself to be beaten. Because if you die, nobody will leave your children for. And women, please, stop accepting ring without marriage dates. It's an error. Any man want to engage you, tell them may they fix the date of the marriage. Don't let any man go and disgrace you in public. Putting a ring in your finger, they will call the cancer. It's a scam. Yes. Engagement ring these days, na scam. They just want to put you for their pockets. Don't accept it anymore. Don't accept it. For him to really know, say he want to marry you as a Nigeria, we know they do engagement, especially me where I come from. We don't know what to be engagements. Tell them when you do that way that they call introduction. Make the two family know. It's better than engagement. Putting ring in your hand in public, in all your friends' face. After you don't put the ring for your hand, not be saying he won't really marry you. It's an error. Please don't collect any stupid ring again. Don't collect any ring. If a man really wants to marry you, tell the man that, okay, go meet my father, send your people, go meet my parents. So that they go click together. They go know, say, yes, my pikin there with this man. From there, they go tell now, say, see what we want, see what we need for our marriage right to. Don't accept ring in the bar. Inside bar, man, boy go they engage, public place. Inside bar, boy go say, will you marry me? Every birthday nowadays is one ring to another ring. You will see a girl engage, they go engage one girl this year. You want to do another birthday, another boy go engage her. No accept again, my sister. You dey spoil your future. They go they can't and follow you. No agree again. No allow any man to put ring for your finger without no introduction in Nigeria. No alarm. It not dey nice. It not dey nice at all. If he really sure say he want marry you, tell her say okay, as you see say you want marry me, so go do introduction for Nigeria. Yes. If you don't have money to marry, do local government marriage, this cheapest one. You don't even need wedding gown. They ask you what you want use. You don't need wedding gown. If that man really want to marry you, tell him to do local government marriage. Stop accepting ring in your birthdays. Stop it. Stop accepting ring. Especially our young girls these days. Every they want to do birthday this year, another man go engage them. Next year, another man go engage them. Next 2-3 years, another man go engage them. Then they can't follow una. Una no know. Mona stop am. It's not a disgrace. If you did not accept ring from a boy, it's not a disgrace. If you want put am for your hands, tell am say, my brother, put your head for you. Tell am say if you reach us. Stop accepting stupid drink. It's stupid drink. They will even go by Argento. Stop it. It's not nice. I'm tired of me, and I even don't talk. Any boyfriend and girlfriend matter, I know they settle right. It's a stupid matter. It's a stupid matter. Please, my young girls out there, I'm here for you. I'm telling you that don't accept ring from any man that is not serious. There are many men there, they are not serious to marry you. They are just there to engage you. You don't become students, you don't become school, relationship don't become student, want to study you. Where be say they don't even get one single character. One single character not there with them. One single tikele character, he not there with them, but they want to study another person before they want marry him. You don't study yourself, you won't be man. You don't study yourself. You never study yourself, you want to study another person pikin. Please, women, my young girls, don't accept stupid ring again your birthdays. In Valentine, don't accept it again. If a man want to put ring in your finger, tell him to fix the date. Which they want marry. It's not a bad thing. Not be bad thing at all. To ask. Say this ring when you they give me so. How many years you want last? Not be bad thing so that man you know where you they go. I always say it every time. Women don't go to relationship. How? Because they want to do. No. They want to do it. No. They want to have sex. No. Women go to relationship because they are expecting something from that relationship. That is why when men leave them, break their hearts so much. So for you to avoid breaking of hearts, use your sense. Use your sense. Use your brain very well. Use your brain. Don't let love blind your eyes. Please. It's an error to be with a man and accepting ring without marriage dates. It's an error. When with my fiancé, you know, go show you for public. You know, go tell you. It's short. I pray God will grant us wisdom, so that we will not be carried away because of words of men, mouth of men. So that we will always use our brain. We will always use our brain very well. If you really want to be married, use your brain. Men love women that have brain. Men love women that know what they want. Yes, that's meant for you. They love women that know what they want. They love women that have brain. Please, men, don't use less our girls in Europe and go to Nigeria and go and marry. And when you go there, I'll give you advice. Don't bring that woman here. Because if you do, and if you still leave her for us, another person will they help you. Please, don't do it. It's not a good thing. It's not nice at all. To marry, to date, to study a woman for 7 years. To be with a guy for 7 years and you don't know, say, get children. Who are you going to explain that to? For me, I don't buy that. I know they accept that. Who are you going to explain that to? That you date a man. You don't even be small baby. At the age of the 31 year, you start dating a man to 38 years. You did not know anything about that man. And you were living together with the man. And you did not know anything about him. That means you are a dummy. You are a dummy. You stay with a man for good 7 years. 7 years. Without knowing about that man. Speaking the same language. Not be saying na Hausa versus Igbo. Or na Benin, na Edo State versus Yoruba. No. the same tribe. You go say you no know. Hija, wetin dey happen? That means you, me, I dey see all this thing like strange thing. That's why when they complain, I say, when women they complain, they lay their complaint, I say, God, who creates these people? Which kind of God create these people? He mean you are in a relationship, you be carried away with everything. It's strange to me. It's a very strange thing. 1 year is enough to know a man that you are with. Any man, any woman that don't know how to investigate his own man, and you want to take care of children to start with, don't know how to do simple investigation. Hey, God. Women supposed to be investigator. Yes. Even your husband go Sokoto, your husband go another place, you go they tell and say, see what you do today. Your husband will they ask you, say you be wish. Your boyfriend will they ask you, say how you tell no you be wish. My God, staying with a man for 7 years without knowing anything about the man, without nothing, nobody even can tell you fear. You know, these days now, if another woman even bring your husband matter for you, you say, don't tell me. You want to scatter my ass. Now until they kill themselves, they go. Me and one man go meet another man just now say, I see your wife for so place. So the man go open ear for that way, one listing. So that he go know, yes, see where my husband, see where my wife they go. But you women, where your person come tell and say, see where your husband they want. Hey, carry your look, come on. So now until they kill themselves, they go. You think you are right. Don't scatter my marriage. You want to scatter my relationship. You say my husband, they carry girl. For you to put your ear for down where. For you to shine your eye, may you know what they happen. Round your husband because your eye no fit reach everything finish. Why you now use everybody take change to na enemy because say you feel say they do aproko. You feel say you want to spoil your marriage. At the end of the day, your marriage will really spoil for that thing when your friend want to tell you. That's why all of us close our mouth. Yes, all of us close our mouth. Even though we see your husband even get 5 children, we not go tell you. Yes, we not go tell you because you go say we want to spoil your marriage. But if na man, he go want know whether na truth. But women don't listen anymore. That's why you don't know your man. That is why you don't know your husband. We don't listen. All we know, don't spoil my marriage. Don't spoil my relationship. Don't spoil my this. Don't spoil my that. That is all we are after. Instead of when we collect sense for nonsense. All we are after is don't spoil my marriage. Marriage without information, without knowing your husband, without knowing your boyfriend, without knowing your fiancé. For good 7 years now, that type of marriage may be. No tell me say my husband, my boyfriend get 5 pikin for Nigeria. No tell me say my boyfriend get 6 children for Nigeria. You know whoever believe. For you to put your head down, may you listen whether not truth this person really they talk. You use all of the change to your enemy. They say a good friend, they say. If friends say, my friend, your teeth they smell, but that days, our friends shut up. We are pretending to each other. If you want to tell your friend about the truth about his relationship, mean you are destroying his house. It means say you they destroy your house. Women don't longer take care of their relationships. They don't longer take care of their relationship. Up they know you want to put some stuff for my gari. Any demon when they worry my husband. Any demon for you to walk your life way. You are putting your husband you're supposed to know in the hand of your pastor, in the hand of your mother, in the hand of your sister. Your husband when you gather they live with for us. Pastor, let me pray for my husband. Now you know what they do your husband. Put your knee for ground by yourself, pray. Because we don't know what they do our husband. Because we don't know the weakness of our husband. Or we just know, don't scatter my marriage. Don't scatter my marriage. Don't scatter my relationship. That is why you'll be in a marriage for 7 years without knowing anything about your husband. You have used everybody to turn to your enemy because of your husband. You have used all the society anywhere where you live because they tell you about your husband, because about your boyfriend. I want to have a friend like that. And the ends, he lose that relationship because he don't want to listen. Everybody was like telling her, this where you they go, so you know good though. I not say some really bad, they don't want me you enter there. I not say because they waiting your friend tell you go really your command. But you go wash well, you go want know. That is how it work. Not be saying one just oh yeah, carry your back, oh come on, every enemy of progress. As your boyfriend they call your husband. You see what Keshi talk today, oh. See what Osagboka talk today, oh. He say you get another girlfriend. Why your mumu no go ripe? Why your mumu no go ripe? You know, say when person they talk truth, people know they like to listen. You go say you want to spoil his fellow women. No. Knowing your husband, knowing your boyfriend, knowing your fiancé is the key. That is why any woman that have wisdom, make cannot trick them. And that to trick them, we even love them more. You go come they ask na juju. No. Before the man go even work up makan, the woman don't cash him. Na yeah, woman for the cash man wa mwe. You know go fit deny. That is it. That is it. That is it, women. Listen. Listen, it help a lot. Stop saying, you want to scatter my marriage. You want to ridicule my marriage. You want to spoil it because of that. You don't know your boyfriend. You don't know your husband. Good information for you to know where to walk over. You neglected it. You neglected everything. At the end, you go carry Rick for 10 years. That man no go marry you. Makashuku. True to God. You go carry ring for 10 years. That man no, you know, because you don't know that man. You always they hear everything when they talk. That is relationship for you. You are being with a man for good 7 years. You don't know if he have children. You have never spoken to the mother. You have never spoken to the family. And you said you have fiancé. Oh my God. Even people want to give you the right information. You said you don't want to listen. Because you want to spoil your relationship. For you to put your ear down, listen to good advice. You want to spoil my relationship. That your relationship is it going to spoil if you don't listen. It's going to spoil. That is why every woman in a marriage, in a serious relationship, you think that you are in a relationship. You are doing boyfriend with some, you are having a boyfriend like 2 years. And that man, is he telling you, I love you, baby, I love you, baby, I love you, baby. And he never, ever tell you, say, see where my mama reach, see how many children my mama get to. And you never know them. My sister, you be mugu. I once have a friend, those days, in Germany. I want to have a friend. We all know that this man we are just killed. We know. Say the man not ready for marriage. They do this one. They even do local government marriage. Local government marriage they do just for the man to get documents. This girl go get belle. Oh my God! Some men are wicked. They are heartless. Yes, some men. But in every man gets who they love. That is just it. Every man gets who they love. Every man gets who they love. That is why sometimes I don't consider it a wickedness. I consider the women as mumu because they don't know what they want. This my good friend. He dates this man. He come marry. They come marry. That is just date and 1 year. Second year they marry. Anytime make this girl take get belle, go say go remove her now. We never strong rich. We never do this rich. We never do this rich. Before you know, the girl can't they go that place when some girls they go, can't they go Austria, go they also. You don't know what it can happen before you know they say for Nigeria. That's what the matter about. You can't see maneuver, come Italy. As in maneuver, come Italy. He see all in life service. As we talk rich, and I can back here. Anybody may tell and say that boy no good that time. He go say, God forbid, you want to spoil my relationship. You want to spoil my relationship, I rebuke you. Go even they call us devil. But we know that the boy was not ready. Because there's no man that love you, that marry you. And you can't get belly, go say me you they do the abortion. It not they exist. Because of you want build that for Africa. Because you want to achieve this one for Africa. At the end, I told this guy, say, because me, I go with people with wisdom. I told her, I say, one day you go lose this relationship that you are so much, you so much cherish so much, and you don't want to listen to good information so that you can confront the man with it. Say, why it be like this? Why it be like this? Women with wisdom don't lose relationship. No. That is why you see some women, very beautiful, they don't know how to keep their relationship. Because they lack it here. They always move by sight. They don't move by their brain. Move by your brain. Don't listen to this art too much. It can deceive you at any time. Because the art is very soft. You see your brain, connect to all your body, control your body. Move with it. If any woman come to give you information about your husband, does not mean your marriage should scatter. No. Put your head down, watch very well. Put your head down. Some people said, if you check your husband's phone, it means you want to cause sorrow to yourself. If your husband is a flirter, my dear, you are going to lose that marriage one day if you did not address it. Address it. Marriage is sitting down and talking together. You put your husband down. It's not all about blah, 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 blah. No, it's not all about that. You sit your husband down, you talk sense to him. Tell him you know the game is playing. Try it. Tell him that you know the game is playing. When some women come, my husband did not flirt, nobody believe. There are some women that boast that, no, my husband no dey flirt. Go and check them where their husband don't really do it. Because they know how to put their husbands in the place where it belongs to. They know how to communicate with their husbands. Because they use their brain. Choose your brain. Don't make everybody your enemy because they are telling you what is wrong in your house. That is why you will be in a relationship, you will not know your husband. Before your husband will give another girl belly, you know who know. Because nobody is there to give you the information. Say, see who your girl, who your boyfriend, who your husband called a friend though. See who your boyfriend called a friend though. See who your fiancé called a friend though. Nobody is there to give you the information. Because you have already told them, I don't need it. I don't need it. I don't want you to scatter my marriage, oh. I don't want you to scatter my relationship, oh. But if he were to be man, he go hear that thing concerning his wife. He go put the eye for that. He go even thank his friend. Thank you, my friend, for giving me this information. And he go put his eye for that where so know what they happen to his wife. But we women, we are lacking sense, but we don't know. We think our husband is our Lord. Yes, they are our Lord. Yes. That's what Bible talking, not be me talking. But apply wisdom in your relationship. Know your husband. Know your husband. Address it. Address any error that is bad to come inside. If your friend tell you, see what I see your husband with you. I not say may you pursue your friend. I not say may you fight your husband though. But shine your eye very well. Know where your husband go to. Know where he go to. Know where they wakarish. You no need to go fight the girl too. Sit your husband and say, yes, I can see the game you are playing. I can see what you are doing. Your husband go surprise. Go say, you be wish. Me. When you catch them here, they submit. They fish out. I not do one. What did they do? What did they do? Who they gossip me? Who they do this? Who they do this? That is meant for you. They want to cover their error. They will start shouting. My sister, not follow the shots. After you want sleep for now, remember her again. I know your game. Oh. Emi of a son, I no go see sleep. Before you know, you go control your phone whether you don't read or a message. You go see say you know even go there. Before you know, anywhere when they go, you go come the fear. Before you know, you go put yourself for peace. Men like their peace, and they always they talk. And men, if you want man to buy, that's what if man want buy anything for this life, now peace. Men love peace. Men don't like when they are at the trouble. So when you give it to them the way they need it, not be by fight, by talk. By say, I know, say you did do one. I know. I even know the girl papa ass when you did do. Stop cursing, stop only enmity against people that supposed to give you information about your spouse. Stop it. If something is wrong, sometimes you cannot really see it. That is why we are messing everything. We are messing up everything. We think, yes, don't come and spoil my marriage. Don't come and do this. Now don't celebrate it when they at the drama. They want people to buy it. They know our men love that. Don't mind those. That's why their marriage don't work. That is why they are married. When they start acting stupid dramas, that is why they are married. None of them, go and look at them, none of them, their marriage is not working. Because they are acting what they don't belong to. Where we don't belong to, when you start acting that way, you start getting error. Women supporting domestic violence, and the women say accept them, so even they will be praying in the church and God will not answer in their prayer. Why can't you ask the drama one and they are they don't know that the drama, the film has a lot to play in human's life. Drama have a lot to play in human's life. When you start giving negative things and you expect to marry a good husband, like not be the one when you dey heart for your film, you are joking. You are joking. That is why Lollywood, please, it's not nice what you guys are hurting. It's not nice at all. Me, I don't buy it. I don't like it. That's why I don't watch useless film. I don't watch it. I don't watch useless film. Woman be beaten in this marriage, and it start accepting the man's back, and God now answers his prayer, and the man has changed totally. That one a drama. When you want to add that type of drama, say don't practice it in real life. Like they show some kind of things, you say don't do this at home. One at the right hand put for the film, one at the arts. Say don't practice this at home. Please step up your game, women. Step up your game. You see her? You see her?
You say back your load, they go.
Back your load and go. You hear?
Marriage no work. See all your face, see all your body, see all your body, see all your face. Now by force. All these people just give you throw away. Your own go. You say back your load, they go. Now by force. If marriage no work, see all your face, see all your body, see all your body, see all your face. Now by force.
You hear her? You hear the girl? That is what I'm saying. Why don't you use cup? You see, this is what women are passing through. This is what they are passing through in their marriage. If this woman mistakenly come up for that marriage, call here, they go call her single mother, call her all sorts of stupid name. So say Biera, now so you see happen to me. My husband nearly killed me, not be me with acid day today. Men, you are bringing curse upon yourself. You don't know. That is why you don't last. Not be juju woman till they do till they kill. No. You are committing atrocity. Now you know they commit. Now they commit. Beating human be like this. Beating human be like this. for the husbands. Wetin dey use the husband stay dey do? If you comot, you go call am single mother. If you comot, you say no keep your husband well. That is why many women are dying in their husband hands. Please, my people, I'll be leaving you with this. Please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you as you do. At Grace Better, just go there, just subscribe. You know they take anything from me. I don't know why people they fear to subscribe. Everyone not subscribe. I use God beg gonna. If this video now, if you see the link, you go see her for there. You just have to press it and subscribe. Grace Better. God bless you as you do. Bye bye. See you again next time. Ciao, ciao, ciao.